The prosecution will continue. Then your lordships have already said thereafter we don't deal with these matters.
Let them, my lord, at least.
My learned friend's only one
Pointing
point
out
agenda is that somebody should be arrested. That's
what is it that they found in the charge sheet? Who's
that you find when the affair is filed. The trial court will find.
Enforcement Directorate.
So I am saying that the amount of fraudulent embezzlement of bank funds is more than 20,000 crore. And clearly, my lord, the kingpin has been earlier identified.
Nowadays, the charge sheets are.
They take no action against him. They have arrested a few people, couple of people who are some relatively lowly officer.
Why they are
I'm not saying that they should arrest him. I am saying that they should at least disclose to your lordship as to what have they found about the role played by him. Because as we have filed an earlier charge sheet in the Yes Bank case, in which they say, CBI says very clearly, that was a charge sheet filed in 25, where they say very clearly that he was the kingpin of all this. SEBI says he was the kingpin, but yet, my lord, it seems that he has been scrupulously.
My lord, our status reports are ready. Apropos, my lord, your lordship's last order, my lord, out of 7 investigations, in 3 charge sheets are already filed. Rest are under investigation, my lord. My lord, I cannot, my lord, say anything about who is to be arrested or who is not to be arrested, but one factual inaccuracy in my learned friend statement that low-level people are arrested. My lord, the group managing director is arrested. My lord, there are several, but when to arrest, whether to arrest, how to arrest, my lord, that I cannot, as a public prosecutor, mention that.
Which are the cases in which charge sheets have been filed?
Yes.
Whether they have investigated it in the correct manner or not, because the chairman clearly, my lord, they must have said something, or they should have said something about the role played by him.
Lord, I have no difficulty in your lordship's deciding whether we have acted according to law or not. My learned friend definitely cannot sit in appeal over, my lord, how the investigation proved. We will place a plot for your lordship's consideration.
This is a completely wrong procedure.
Totally
Not a procedure followed by this court in any manner.
Only after the petition and your lordship's order that they have done even this much.